Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week at everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, the cost of money is ending its extended cheap period, and there is a whole generation unused to the normal level, where the benchmark is about 5% with lending costs above that. We start today noting that American bond yields are moving ever higher. The yield on the US Treasury 10-year has hit its highest since November 2007. Markets see the Fed encouraged to stay hawkish on good data, and the US federal deficit situation will need more issuance at a time of very partisan election uncertainty and rising risks of shutdown. Investors insist on compensation for these risks. In China, however, they made a modest reduction in their loan prime rates yesterday. Markets were disappointed at the timid policy action. The August fixing cut the one-year loan prime rate by 10 basis points to 3.45%, a record low in an effort to ease borrowing costs for businesses, but maintained the 5-year rate, the home loan benchmark, at 4.2%. It was a disappointing regulatory response that saw foreign banks cutting their China forecast further, and the property sector revealed even more signs of distress. Meanwhile, Taiwanese export orders rose in July from June to be at their highest level since November. However, they're still 12% lower than year-ago levels. That's a big improvement from the 25% shortfall in June. And Thailand reported its second quarter GDP growth yesterday, and it slowed much more than anyone saw coming. The Thai economy is far from irrelevant, and a big miss like this will have regional ramifications. In Australia, and just like their banks, insurance giant IAG has announced sharply higher profits, while claiming the future is cloudy. Their profits rose 37%. Premium income was up 10.6%. They also said New Zealand premium income rose 12%. The US Treasury 10-year yield will start today at 4.34% and up 9 basis points from this time yesterday, and a 16-year high. And the price of gold will start today at $1,894 an ounce. That's up $4 from yesterday. And oil prices are down 50 US cents at just on $80 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is just over $84 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today little changed at just on 59.2 US cents. Against the Aussie, though, was softish at 92.4 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're also softer at 54.3 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index is now at 68.3 and down another minor 10 basis points from yesterday. Get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.